Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to go over this organizer makeup kit. Hope you guys can stick around. I'm also going to be transferring my old makeup kit stuff to this one. Let's see if everything fits. Here is a picture. It just shows the different colors that they have, how you can apply your makeup in there, just to help keep it organized and clean. Here's the makeup kit. I just got the black one. We have a spot here where we can attach, if you have a suitcase and you're traveling, you can attach it there. We have a couple zippers. The first zipper, it's the first one in the front. This section where you could add some things. Here's a zipper, but let's put some things in here. I want to say not too heavy or thick. And here's the other side where you can open it up. You have these different compartments here. You can take the sections off, so if you want it to be bigger, or you can apply it closer to a different one if you wanted a smaller area. Oh, see how easy it's not as easy. Let's try it again. Okay. Oh, that was a little crooked, but you get the gist of it. You can take these off if you like, and then you can play with it and mix it around. I don't believe this one. Oh, this one you could take off too. So you could take off all of these. And then we have this section here. This section here, you could open it up. This section is for brushes. So you can put all your brush sets here. Just has this kind of like plastic, maybe nylon style. And they have a hook here. These are just the two sections of the makeup kit. Now it also came with two of these, and then it has the straps. I'm curious to know what's supposed to go here, if there's a reason why we have this. Oh, I get it. I'm like, what the heck? Okay, so you can open this up. You can clip here. I want to say this is the right, or would it be in the back? So I'm going to clip it up and we want to tighten it. Oh, perfect. Yes. All right, so clipping these will allow you to hold your brushes standing up versus laying down. So you could just have your kit open, grab your brush. That's awesome. I thought it was doing something weird. I'm like, what is this for? All right, so we have that. Then we have these straps. You could just attach these straps onto this part here. Attaches to the other side. It looks really sturdy. I hope it is sturdy. It feels sturdy. And you just want to strap it on. And you could just strap it on. Alright. Now let's get to the fun stuff and start putting makeup in here. I have a lot of makeup, so I could have gotten a bigger one. I didn't think I needed one, but let's see. Okay. This is the one I currently have. I love this one because there's a lot of space, but it's a lot of work. And it's not as organized and sectioned off with the makeup. It looks a mess right now because I did makeup this weekend and haven't got the chance to organize it. So this is how my makeup kit is right now. Got the shmonnies. yeah, it's a mess. So this is currently how my makeup kit looks. I'm going to transfer everything here going onto this bag. Fingers crossed everything fits. Again, normally it doesn't look this crazy, but I had a client weekend, so it looks crazy right now. But I'm hoping that this all fits. So let's try. So one of these already came like this. I didn't do it. It looks like it easily will have that happen because of the material that it is, but no biggie. So we have to move things around. You can't just do it split in the middle. I'm not liking this part. Oh my gosh. All right. Down, down. I just made some purchases from Sephora and Ulta. I need more space. It doesn't look like there's going to be enough space. So I have a wedding this weekend and it's not gonna fit. To have this much left. So I still have a good amount of makeup to put in here. I still need space for the palettes, the eyeshadow palettes. Usually I have this one filled up. Then I have skincare bag, brushes, and palettes. The brushes can fit here. Extra brushes, not really, but maybe for one client, this is enough. This is as much as I can fit. I can put more stuff like over top of it, but the purpose I got this was so I don't have to like dig. I thought it was gonna be bigger, but it's not. You can, once I take these out of the packages, like it could go on top, for sure. Like there's space to put a little bit more stuff on top, but not enough space for what I have. I have the wedding this weekend, so I don't know if I'm gonna return it, or I can keep it for like light travel. For light travel, we could fit some stuff, but not really, because I still have to put palettes. I could possibly fit one palette going in here and then just close it up and put like extra stuff here. But yeah, I thought it was gonna be bigger, but it's not. I'm definitely gonna look to see if there's any for shipping the next day, because I like want it now. But this is great for someone that's just starting and doesn't have a lot. I know I'm just starting, but like I have a lot. I have a lot. So when you're just like basically don't really have much, like this is a good makeup kit. But when you have a lot, girl, this isn't cutting it. It's too small. It's too small. But I love how it is. Hopefully maybe I could find one that's similar to this that has these dividers. These dividers are pretty awesome that you can divide things out. I forgot I had one of these, but I need space for the one, so I really like it, but it's too small. So if you guys have pretty much just like this much makeup, probably can add a couple more things on top and the brushes, and then you have your section here where you can add more things. There's some space here. Definitely get it. But if you have this plus showing you right here, I have more things, and then I still have my brushes, they'll be fine here. But if you want extra brushes for your palettes, your skincare, you need a bigger one. So definitely do a bigger one. I thought this was going to be bigger, but it's not. I'll be sure to have the link for you guys down below, so if you have any questions, I hope you guys enjoyed this from me transferring one makeup kit to another. I hope that made it easier as far as your decision to purchase this or not. And best of luck. I know I'm definitely going to get a bigger one, but I might just keep this because it's a cute small one, and I can even keep it for my makeup and then get another one for clients only. So thank you guys for watching. If you're all about body positivity, #1, and makeup, of course, and the glam, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Elenitasjourney. And I'm excited to share with you guys more. If you're interested more in makeup, I just figured, like, why not create this? Because this is the next step, and then a next step towards my journey. So thank you guys for watching this review on this makeup kit organizer. And I hope you guys enjoyed the comparison of putting my makeup in here. I'm definitely going to get a bigger one, but I really like the style of how it is, and it has the makeup brushes standing up. If you're part of the DMV area, holler at your girl. If you are also a makeup artist, be sure to comment down below. If this video helped you with making your purchase or not making your purchase, comment down below. I hope you guys stay beautiful, stay kind, and love yourself throughout your life journey, because it's so important to embrace the good, the bad, the ugly, and the success. Bye guys.